Ford Performance DNA is what makes the vehicle immediately recognizable. It's the block Ford grille, the bulging fenders, the wide track, the Fox suspension, and the big tires. A Ford Performance vehicle is designed for extreme performance. We have a unique steering wheel with a center stripe so you know where your wheels are. The seats include increased bolstering, keeps you right in front of the steering wheel. The drive mode buttons are all right there on the steering wheel, unique for Raptor.
As we started to create a Ranger Raptor, we applied the same key characteristics, the Ford Performance DNA for off-road, to the Ranger Raptor as we had it on F-150 Raptor. You got in the Ranger Raptor the best diesel engine we have in our lineup. A high-power bi-turbo diesel engine. We picked the same transmission you have in an F-150 Raptor. A 10-speed automatic transmission.
The first F-150 Raptor was actually developed from 3 runners. We've taken that DNA and then we have applied that DNA to the Ranger Raptor in the Fink Desert. Right now we're out here in the original testing area for the F-150 Raptor in the US. If it can pass these obstacles, we know that it can withstand some of the toughest areas of the world.
The Raptor is the most production-ready off-road high-speed vehicle in the world. It's absolutely going to blow people's minds.
We take the approach with this kind of vehicle that whatever we do from a design perspective, it should be about performance, it should be about functionality. So there's nothing that we've designed on this vehicle that doesn't have some purpose.
Ranger on steroids, Ranger turned up past 11. The whole purpose of the Raptor is capability, right? It's to perform off-road, and so the things that we've done are all about enhancing that ability. So you get the increased protection underneath with the bash plates, the separated bumper, which is higher for better ramp departure and breakover angles. And the chassis guys want a wider track to help with stability and off-road ability. And that allowed us to put the wider fenders and the bigger arches and the larger off-road tyres.
The big thing about the Raptor is it's inspired by Baja vehicles, by the desert races. That's why everything's lifted up, everything's out of the way.
It's a bit like we sent it to the gym and the thing got absolutely ripped. It's driven by functionality. There's so much in the underpinnings and in the chassis and in the sheet metal that it's really something that can only be authentic.
Somebody asked me, was there ever a time when you were able to just deliver a sketch? I have to say that the Raptor is the one, because it's a vehicle that you walk past and you think, oh my God, that's so cool. Are we really going to put that on the road?
The new Ford bi-turbo diesel in Ranger Raptor sets new standards for powertrain engineering. Leading this innovation, we combined a 10-speed transmission with a new bi-turbo diesel engine, delivering a maximum 157 kilowatts of power and 500 newton-meters of torque, with better fuel economy, less weight, and with specific off-road calibration. The bi-turbos are connected in sequence and work as a team to optimize performance. At lower engine speeds, the 2 turbos work together for maximum torque and responsiveness, while at higher engine speeds, the high-pressure turbo is bypassed and the low-pressure turbo provides boost to deliver more power. Complementing the engine, the 10-speed transmission ensures it's always in the optimal gear for improved acceleration, responsiveness, and towing performance. High-strength steel, aluminium alloys, and composite are used to optimize durability and weight. With improved quality, efficiency, and performance, the new 2-liter bi-turbo engine is Ford engineering at its best.
The Ranger continues to be this great success story, this segment-defining truck, and today we take this built Ford truck base and then we overlay it with this wonderful Ford Performance DNA to create the ultimate Ranger, the Ford Ranger Raptor. So our Ford Performance team have transformed the already, amazingly capable Ranger into an even more super truck. It embodies everything people know and love about the Ranger the world over, and then some.
Performance and racing are deeply embedded in Ford's DNA. Today, that passion for excitement, innovation, and capability lives on in every part of Ford, but most particularly Ford Performance. Something that you will clearly identify in the new Ranger Raptor. It's incredibly special to be able to provide the driving public this experience, the experience of literally flying through the air while screaming around beaten trails of the roughest terrain.
The Ranger Raptor is a truly aspirational product that can do the work around the city, but get the young entrepreneur and his surf gear across the dunes to do the ultimate surf. Or it can take the family businessman around town up to the marvelous forests or temples around Isan in Thailand, where we are now, to provide the ultimate off-road family experience. It will drive immensely comfortably on the road and with fun and confidence off the road, always looking after its passengers. This is the ultimate off-road adventurer for the aspirational driver.